Kevin Warwick, a pioneer in cybernetic research. The term cybernetics might remind you of something from a sci-fi movie, but for Kevin Warwick, it's a reality. He's been pushing the envelope of what's possible by interfacing the human nervous system with technology. Through his experiments, Warwick has implanted microchips in his arm, enabling him to directly interact with the internet. Imagine this, controlling a robotic arm simply by thinking about it. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for Warwick, it's another day in the lab. But he didn't stop there. He took it a step further by sharing sensory information with his wife via a neural link. They were able to communicate nerve impulses, effectively creating a new form of telepathy. It's no exaggeration to say that Warwick's work is groundbreaking. His experiments are redefining the limits of the human body and mind. Kevin's work shows us that the human body's capabilities are only limited by our imagination. So, what does this all mean for us and our future? We started this journey by exploring the vast expanse of human potential, our innate ability to adapt, change, and evolve. We've seen how this potential is being harnessed and amplified through the emerging field of biohacking. We delved into the lives of pioneers like Neil Harbison, who transcended the limits of human perception with his antenna implant, and Kevin Warwick, who dared to experiment with his own body to advance cybernetics. Their stories are not merely about technological innovation, but also about the radical reimagining of our human capabilities. These advancements pose questions about the very essence of humanity. Are we simply biological beings, or can we evolve into something more, something beyond our biological constraints? As we grapple with these questions, one thing is clear. As we continue to push the boundaries of human potential, we are not just redefining what it means to be human, we are becoming architects of our own evolution.